Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a logo in Canva. First step is to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. Now it will lead you to a home page of a Canva website, and here you can see this search bar. Now click on it and type in logo. Now here you can see different logo options here. If you don't have a Canva Pro version, you can use this free template. For an example, I'm using this one. Now click on customize this template. Now you can simply edit the text here and type in the text that you want to add on your logo. Now after that, if you want to change the background image, you can click on this option here and change it to your preferred color. Here I'm choosing this one. And after you are done, you can simply click on this share button and download your logo. So this is the simple step that you can follow if you want to create a logo in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.